and welcome to my channel. I'm Nash, and today we're going to sit down and we are going to unbag the very last Ipsy bag that we will ever unbag on my channel. So if you are curious to see what I received in my last Ipsy bag, and this is the April 2018 Ipsy bag, then just make sure you keep on watching. So as I mentioned, this is going to be my last one. I'm canceling it. I've been so disappointed in Ipsy over the last few months. And I think I'm going to try out Topbox, which is a Canadian subscription. And it's cheaper as well. So I think I'm going to try that. I'm over it, especially after this month. Like, I already saw what I got. So I guess to start off, let's talk about this. This is the Purlisse Coconut Oil and Coffee Sugar Body Scrub. And it says the benefits, it's a coconut oil, softens and nourishes skin. Coffee reinvigorates and awakens skin. Sugarcane gently exfoliates dead skin cells. Fruit extract promotes elasticity, clarity, and skin suppleness. It says it helps prevent skin aging and soothes skin and deeply moisturizes. I will not use this. I don't use body scrubs really, so I'm gonna put this in the giveaway pile for when we eventually hit 1,000 subscribers. Just because, like I said, I'm not gonna use this, so there's no point in me even opening and trying it out for you guys, just because it'll just go in the garbage probably after anyways. So this is what the card looks like. It's a social butterfly. Sorry, I forgot to show you this earlier. Just a normal card. It says, fact, life's too short to keep all the fun stuff happening right now. So the one thing I did get that I was kind of excited to get when I saw it is this nail polish. I put it on before we filmed, so it's just like this mint green color. And I don't have anything like this color, so I was excited to get that. So this is by the Nail Medic. It says it has keratin and calcium infused in the nail polish, so it helps us strengthen nails and helps promote nail growth. And then on the box as well, it says, it's a fast drying and long lasting formula, resists chipping and cracking, fading, or peeling for up to 10 days, which I never really believe. All my nail polish chips on me after like day 2. But I really like this color. And it has a nice brush tip on it too. It applied really easily, so the color on my nails is after doing just 2 coats. It looks pretty good. I just painted them, sorry. I'm awful at painting nails. I get everywhere until I shower and I like scrub them down a little bit. But I probably could have gone in with a 3rd coat or just 2 thicker coats, but I liked how it applied. Like, it applied really easy and smooth, no skipping, or it wasn't that streaky. So especially with a mint shade, like that's my thing, is like if it's streaky, it's gonna show up really noticeably, and it's not. So I'm happy. This will be a cute color for summer and spring. I really am happy with that. So next thing, sorry this is such a fast video, you guys. I'm just kind of over Ipsy, to be honest. I'm really not that excited. This is a nice brush. So we got this. It's a Visante concealer buffer, and I use this to buff my concealer in under my eyes today, so I'll insert the clip here. But basically it's almost like a really big, like you could almost use it as a crease brush, a fluffy crease brush if you have bigger eyelids. But I used it as concealer, and I didn't mind it actually. This would even be good for like cream contouring or cream highlighting, things like that. It's a very, what's the word I'm looking for? Soft. It's a very soft brush, and it's very fluffy. I feel like I've heard of Visante, but I don't believe I've ever tried anything from them. So, and it's really nice. It's this almost like a charcoal gray or like a concrete gray kind of looking, and it tapers into like a smaller end in the brush. I like this brush. I definitely will keep using it. I even wonder what it would be like for, like I was mentioning, a concealer brush, or not a crease blending brush. Okay, next thing I got is this Tresolet Leave-In Conditioner. So it says here, hydrating leave-in conditioner instantly detangles, leaving hair silky smooth. Apply a small amount on damp hair, add more for thicker, longer hair, style as desired. Tip, excellent on dry hair to smooth ends. Interesting, I should try that. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not a hair person. I don't know how to do hair. I don't do hair. I throw it up usually either in a half up, half down, or I just throw it up into a ponytail. If I get really energetic, when I wash my hair, I will blow it out, but that's the extent of it. And I only do that because it lasts me so long and then I don't have to do it again for the next week. I might use this. I hate getting hair products though because I feel like I never use them, but a leave-in conditioner, my hair is really dry, especially in these winter months. So maybe I will try this. We'll see. I maybe try it. If I don't try it in the next month or so, I will throw it in the giveaway pile. So we will have to see. And does it have a safety seal? Because if it doesn't, I'm not giving it away. It does have a safety seal. Does the other one? Because this one, again, I'm giving away. I'm not going to give it away if it doesn't have a safety seal. It does! Yay! Okay, so those both have a safety seal. This one's definitely going in the giveaway. That one maybe will go in the giveaway. Last but not least, this one is the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick. And it's in this very deep dark like maroon shade. No, I was gonna put this on to finish my look, but it didn't go. That's all it says about it. What shade is it in? Doesn't even give me, oh, Misconduct. You know what? I'll remove my lip and we'll try it on just to see the formula because it's light. I'm not going anywhere with this makeup anyways. Like, they didn't even fill it all the way. Like, they just cheap out. Okay, so it's coming out definitely more purple, plum, dark plum maybe. Applicator's really nice. I'll show you guys here once. Oh no, it's definitely maroon. One thing, when you put these type of lips on, you're gonna wanna be precise, and I'm not today because I don't really care. I like that a lot. Definitely doesn't go with the eye look that I have on today. But that applied, oh yeah, I was going to show you the Doe Foot applicator. That applied beautifully. So it's one of those Doe Foot applicators. It's one of those Doe Foot applicators that have the little, like, pool in it. So it collects the product in there. And it's really nice, you guys. I actually really, really like it. It applied really nice. Not, like, streaky, patchy, nothing. And it's a really nice color. I really don't have anything, I don't think. It almost, like, is it metallic? It almost has a little bit of like a metallic sheen on it, I think, but nothing that's like, I like that. Since this was the last Ipsy that I'm gonna do, I mean, it's sad. I've had Ipsy the longest. I've had Ipsy for 4 years, I think, at least. Unfortunately, they just have not been wowing me. That's not to say I'll never come back to Ipsy. Maybe I will in the future. But right now, it's just, I just haven't been getting, every month I go on there and I tell them, when I get a hair product, I'll say, don't set, like, you know, you go and you can like rate it like 5 stars or whatever. I would give it like a 1 star. I would say, don't like it, I don't like it. Same thing with like any sort of like scrubs or even like masks and stuff. I just want to get makeup primarily. And I get like the odd thing, like one thing here and there. But I've just been feeling like primarily my bags have all just been like skincare. And or hair care or just like random stuff that it's just, I told you I don't like it. I also changed my category to like totally adventurous, like all colors, like all, because I was just getting all these like neutral stuff. They still sent me these neutral bronze shades. Maybe another time it'll work for me, but right now I want to try something different. So Ipsy was about $25 Canadian a month after shipping and the exchange rate I was paying for Ipsy. This top box that I'm going to look into, you get, I believe, 4 sample size products a month, and it's only 12 Canadian dollars, so it's like half the price for one less product. And then I know they do, you can buy like an extra product sometimes too, which is usually, I believe, like a full size, but it's like a mystery product, and I think that's an extra $10. So that would make it $22, which is still same price or even less sometimes than Ipsy. So I'm going to try that and see how that goes. This brush is okay. I don't really use this brush for concealer, which is why I want to try it for a crease brush, but I think it might be a little bit too big for that. So brush, it worked okay for concealer, but I just don't prefer it. It's liquid lipstick I actually really, really like. I'm actually impressed that I like it so much. And I like this nail polish because, I mean, it's cute for the summer. But like these things, no. I might use the mask just because I have it and I do have damaged hair, but like, I don't want it. I didn't want it. I would never buy it. So like, I don't want it. And then the Pure Elise I won't use, so that's definitely going in a giveaway. It's just not, it's not wowing me. I'm gonna try something else. Maybe I'll come back to Ipsy if this other one sucks too, who knows. But for now, we're on to something different. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. And let me know too what other subscription purchases that you guys get. What's good, what's not good. I obviously get BoxyCharm. That's obviously good. I love BoxyCharm. I don't think I'd ever cancel my BoxyCharm service. But yeah, let me know down below equivalent prices of Ipsy, but like, is this good or better than Ipsy? I think I'm gonna do top box now, and then we'll see if anybody has any other suggestions. Maybe I'll try that in the future too. Thank you, I already said that. Thanks for watching. We will see you in my next video. Bye guys.